Ready to craft the ultimate summer anthem that'll have everyone on the dance floor feeling the warmth. Today, we're diving deep into FL Studio to master the art of both progressive house and tropical house, two genres that perfectly capture those blissful summer vibes. We'll break down everything from picking the right sounds to structuring your tracks and getting that polished mix. Let's start with sound selection for progressive house. Think big, epic pads, driving bass lines, and uplifting leads. We'll be looking for warm, evolving synths and perhaps a classic trance-inspired pluck for tropical house. Our focus is on bright, cheerful sounds. Think marimbas, steel drums, catchy vocal chops, and even a ukulele or acoustic guitar sample. Next, arrangement. Progressive house often builds tension slowly. We'll introduce melodic elements gradually, build energy with risers and white noise, and create a powerful drop with those driving bass and lead synths. For tropical house, we want a more laid-back feel but still energetic. We'll focus on catchy melodic loops, a solid, grooving beat, and prominent use of those tropical percussion elements. Think of a clear intro, a verse-like section with vocals or a main melody, a pre-chorus to build anticipation, and a chorus with the full energy of the track. Finally, mixing to get that polished sound. We'll focus on eking our instruments to sit well together. For progressive, we'll want our bass and kick to be powerful and clear, and our melodic elements to cut through. In tropical house, clarity is key for those bright, cheerful sounds. We'll use compression to control dynamics and add warmth, and strategically place reverb and delay to create space and atmosphere. Don't forget saturation to add harmonic excitement where needed. By focusing on these core elements, smart sound choices, strategic arrangement, and careful mixing, you'll be well on your way to creating your own signature progressive and tropical house tracks that will define your summer soundtrack.